Oracle users like you crave insights, but those intricate schemas and countless table joins stand in your way. BI tools like Power BI or Tableau offer the perfect platform to build dashboards and reports, but wrestling with technical jargon to access data slows you down. Imagine a world where that data becomes readily available. Insight Software Reporting for Oracle makes it easy for users to analyze, report on, and share data from Oracle ERP. No more IT wait times in trying to decipher complex structures. Quickly deliver data to Excel or the BI tool of your choice. Simplify replication from your Oracle ERP using BICC and out-of-the-box replication templates that support thousands of business views. Generate a report template file for your BI tool that includes all the necessary fields for data connection and data model configuration. Reporting users can now access all the Oracle Fusion data in your BI tool, and also have the added benefit of having data security embedded into your BI reports. With the ability to connect data from a single shared data source in Excel, finance teams can work with their preferred tool. Empower your team to unlock its full potential and solve complex business problems independently with Insight Software Reporting for Oracle Enterprise. Visit insightsoftware.com to learn more.